Printing starts. Film to front guide plate. Manually pull the film to smoothly enter the powder shaker. Turn on the powder shaker. Set parameters. When the pattern is near the bottom, pick up the film. Turn on the powder, front suction and conveyor belt. Manually pull the film to the suction platform and adjust the position of the film so that it can be sucked. Pour powder. Take the film off the suction platform and manually powder the unpowdered parts. Make sure the film and front guide plate are at the same level. When the sensor detects enough hot melt powder, powder shaker switches to automatic mode. At this time, the film is automatically transferred. Turn on the smoke extract filter. Adjust smoke exhaust speed. The exhaust pipe extends to the outdoors. The film is behind the paper platen rod. Turn on the take-up reel. Printing completed. Moving film. Move the film approximately to this position. Cutting film. Fix the film with magnets. Manually pull the film to smoothly enter the powder shaker. At this time, turn off powder. Hold the film and transport it to the bottom, and then let go. Turn off the shaking powder. And the powder shaker switches to manual mode. When all the film enters the suction platform, turn on front and rear suction at the same time. And come to the film outlet to help recycle the film. Turn off the take-up reel.